Prime Day is in just 5 days, but these are 5 things that you can still do as an Amazon seller to help you crush this event and make big bucks. Number 1, offer your customers multiple ways to save. No matter what you're selling, you should always have multi-product discounts, which means 2 for 10% off, 3 for 15% off, and 4 for 20% off, and so on. If your product is consumable, make sure that you have the subscribe and save option, which means the buyer can get $5 or $10 off the first subscribe and save. Consumable products are things that people can finish using, such as supplements or tea, and they need to repurchase after it's gone. This will turn the subscription into lifetime value, which will help your business moving forward even after Prime Day. And yes, we are only 5 days until Prime Day, but it is not too late to set up your Prime exclusive discounts. This is a discount that is only offered to Amazon Prime customers, and it will show the discount price with the regular price crossed off and the percentage that they are saving. To set this up, just go to Seller Central, Advertising, and Prime exclusive discounts. Number 2, gain as much visibility as possible before Prime Day. And yes, you can have a dramatic rank increase in just 5 days. What I like to do is to increase organic rank through sponsored ads. So for example, I'm selling yellow highlighters, and this keyword, neon yellow highlighter for note-taking, has 5,000 search volume per month. This is called a long tail keyword, which is a keyword that is 3 or more words long, and it is highly relevant to your product because it's very specific and describes your product perfectly. Long tail keywords usually convert better because it shows that the buyer knows exactly what they want to buy. So if someone is searching neon yellow highlighter for note-taking, you can be pretty sure that they want a neon yellow highlighter for note-taking versus someone who doesn't know what they want and are just browsing highlighters in general. So let's say my organic rank is number 30 for this keyword and my sponsored rank is number 15. And when I increase my bids and budgets for this keyword, not only will my sponsored rank go up, the organic rank will follow as well. Now I know that increasing your bids and PPC costs is not going to give you profit immediately, but you're going to reap this reward when Prime Day rolls around. Because the search volume of this keyword is going to go from 5K to like 10K. And because you now have a really high organic ranking on this keyword, you're going to convert like crazy and make so much money out of this without spending any money on ads. This is given that you have a really great listing and images. Let's be honest, the cost per click on Prime Day is so insanely expensive because everyone is competing for those same clicks. So you don't want to get tricked into doing the same thing because it's just going to cut into your profits, and we want to maximize profits, not just increase revenue. Depending on the type of keyword that you're targeting, you want to treat each ad campaign differently. So what are we going to do about those broad short tail keywords? This leads me to my third tip, and it's to set budget rules for your PPC campaigns. Here's a stat straight from Amazon. Campaigns with a scheduled based budget rule made 122% more sales than campaigns that didn't. There's going to be a lot of traffic coming onto the platform on Prime Day, and you do not want your campaigns to run out of budget, which is why I like to create a budget rule based on the schedule and have a higher budget on the 16th and the 17th. I like to increase my budget by around 200%, and many other experienced Amazon sellers here at VOC AI also agrees with this strategy. Simply go to Campaign Manager, click on the Budgets tab, click into one of your campaigns, and you'll find the budget rules there. Number 4, obsess over how your listing looks by using VOC AI Insights. Why? You can nail all the tips that I've just mentioned in this video and have the perfect budget PPC plan, but if your landing page does not convince the buyer, you are not going to convert. All of the traffic that you just drove to your listing will be wasted, which is why it is absolutely crucial that your landing page has the highest conversion possible. Now, let me show you what I think is the smartest way to do this, and it's through a software called VOC AI. So this is where you can go into VOC AI and select all the ASINs that you're currently competing with. The AI is going to analyze all of the reviews under those listings and give you a full rundown of your exact customer profile. Who are you selling this product to? When and where are they using this product? What characteristics are your buyers looking for in your product so that you can enhance these features in your lifestyle images? So let's use the highlighter example. VOC AI has told me that majority of these users are kids in a classroom setting. What I need to do is zoom in on that, right? My buyers are probably parents buying for their kids to use at school. It's not kids in university or college, it's not office workers, there are children for school. So that's what I can do with my lifestyle images to highlight the fact that this is great for kids, it's convenient for kids, it's safe for kids, and it's great for use in a classroom. And you can do this with your listing images, your A+ content. So everything in your listing should be well thought out and modified based on what you see in the VOC AI report. because this is real insights from real customers. They have expressed what they love about this product, and it's your job as a seller to enhance these features in your product and show the buyer that yes, if you are buying for your kids, this is great for kids. Yeah, if you want this to not bleed through the pages, that's exactly what we do here. These highlighters don't bleed through the pages. There's a lot of details in this report, so if you want a thorough rundown of how to use the software and how it can benefit you as an Amazon seller, click the link in the description below and book a demo with one of our success coaches. And finally, create a revenue lift forecast for Prime Day. This is a free tool that I've been playing around with, and it can help you forecast your potential earnings from affiliate promotions for Prime Day. It's from a company named Leventa, and I'll link it in the description below. We are not sponsored, by the way, but how it works is that you provide info about your Amazon store and your Prime Day products, and you run the calculator. So it compares your data with benchmarks from thousands of successful Amazon sellers. You get your report, you receive the revenue lift projections by product category in 1 to 2 business days. If you're considering affiliate marketing and you want a way to quantify what it can do for your brand and your product, Leventa would be a great way to help you plan your Prime Day strategy with more precision. It doesn't hurt to give it a try, just run it through the calculator and see what numbers it spits out for you. Since you made it through all 5 tips in this video, here is a bonus tip that I'm going to give you for what to do post Prime Day. And this is going to be retargeting customers who visited your listing on Prime Day but did not buy. During Prime Day, you get a lot of window shoppers. These are people that are just browsing around, they're trying to find some deals, they're not sure what they want, they click on your product because it's kind of interesting, but they probably won't make a purchase. And here's where retargeting comes in. You can use Amazon's sponsored display ads to target these potential customers. What this does is that it's going to show your products on their Amazon pages for several days after Prime Day. Think about it. These shoppers didn't just randomly click onto your listing. They saw this product, they saw the pictures, and they thought, I might want this. So their interest is definitely there, and retargeting is just a way for you to stay within their radar and try to convert that interest into a sale. It doesn't hurt to give it a try and see what difference it might make. That's it for this video. I wish you all the best of luck and to crush your Prime Day selling on Amazon. Don't forget to book that one-on-one demo with our success coach, because we can help you go through the entire VOC AI report and modify everything in your listing so that you can beat your competition. It's completely free. Just click the link in the description below. Happy Prime Day, and I'll see you next time.